After a thoroughly miserable Monday, this was the view on Tuesday morning. One consistent theme this week has been the increased presence of GIP, seen here with Aegis. Make the most of this sighting of the workboat. It's the last we'll see of it. The items under the tarp were delivered on Monday, but it's unclear what they are. All we know is that they require to be kept warm. Beside them appear to be quantities of turbidity curtains, and this suggests that perhaps we're seeing preparations for the next phase. But that would require the removal of the Wolfe Islander IV and the release of the secondary dock for service. In the meantime, there's always snow removal to be done. Wednesday was a pretty damp day, with limited opportunities to visit. Whilst there was certainly work taking place, it appeared to be largely indoors. But there was little external evidence of it. And there remains a question mark over what's intended for these steel pieces. This view on Friday should give you a pretty good idea of why Thursday wasn't a flying day. The day started quietly, with an opportunity to watch the Wolfe Islander III departing Kingston, on a rather sunny but very cold day. Back on the dock, things looked pretty quiet in the terminal. There was a bit of movement in the car park. Movement of equipment and stores is just a part of daily life. On a purely personal level, I have to say I rather like the tracks and patterns made in the snow. Some of them led to the discovery of work at the bottom of the south finger. Besides work on the generator for a lighting set, there appeared to be activity at the vacuum mooring point and on the array of pipes connected to the bubbler system. We'll close this week's update with a run up the dock, in the hopes that next week the weather will be more clement, the Wolfe Islander IV may be moved, and work can begin on the next phase of the project. As always, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if there's something you'd particularly like to see included in these updates.